What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Guys, if you're looking for a Google camera with all the lens perfectly working fine and a very good kind of UI and some features which are great, then this camera might be for you, which is called GCam Fan Edition, which has many new kind of features which I'm going to share with you in this video. Alongside with that, I'm going to share with you some XML files so that you'll be able to install those XML files and you'll be able to click photos in very great quality. There are many features available in this GCam. Let's get started. Let's find out how the features are and how's this GCam performing. Guys, first of all, let's talk about the UI which you get in this GCam. All the same kind of UI, which includes the camera mode, video mode, more, where we have the panorama, photosphere, slow motion, time lapse, all the same features including that. Video mode also has the ultra wide angle camera lens option available. So if you want to shoot videos in ultra wide, then it's working fine here. In my case, I'm using it on my Redmi Note 9 Pro running MIUI 12, so which is working fine. It should work on other devices also, including that we have a camera mode where you can click photos without any kind of issues, and we have the ultra wide angle option available. We have the macro lens, and almost everything seems to be working. If you see this one, this is just because the photo was processing. So now if we want to choose to switch lens, it will working fine, it will work fine, and as you can see, it's working and everything seems to be working. In my case, I didn't got any kind of major issues. The portrait mode was working great here. I tested the photo clarity, that was working fine here. Sorry, I cannot able to show you the camera samples because this one is a different device. That's why we have the night sight option available. All the things are perfectly working fine here without any kind of issues. Let me show you the options which you get in this GCam, like the flash, Google AWB as expectedly, some kind of features. We have the motion option available, which you can adjust to auto or whatever you want to. If you go for the settings here, you will see the GCam Fan Edition. We have the use instantaneous HDR plus enhanced option, which is the feature of this GCam modded version. And if you go for the options and fixes, there are many cool kind of interesting features which you might like, definitely, like the maximum brightness option, anti-blending option. We also have the lag fix option available. Like some devices like the Snapdragon 4XX series, it has the options. Sometimes if you open the GCam and those devices, you'll see lags there, then this option is a very helpful option for you. I personally use this feature a lot in my other devices, and this feature is quite great. Focus tracking and DCI P3 color space and zoom in portrait mode, all the perfect options are available here which you can use, which I was looking for and are currently present in this GCam mode. Camera model, of course, you can adjust to back camera or front camera, and this one is of course my favorite, Pixel 4 XL, and by default you get this one. Front camera customizations features are available here too. You can adjust clarity, whatever you want to do, like we have the correction auto exposure, we have the exposure compensation, AWB mode, night sight astro, save button, AWB button. Another thing which I was looking for is finally available, which is called auxiliary buttons. All the lenses are perfectly working fine here, like the telephoto and wide, so without any issues you can use them. Custom lip patcher, and also if you want to import some XMLs, which I will provide you a zip file link in the description for all the available XMLs which you can go and install, and how you can get those XMLs. It's quite easy, I'll show you later on. We have the portrait related settings options available. Of course, you will not see any kind of extra folders which you always see in the GCam for most of the times, and this feature is available. You can simply ignore that. We have the disable Google Photos and the same features. We have the 4K recording option available, 4K time lapse, and at last info includes the GCam, which is actually a GCam mode, which is modified by Jairo Rossi and here it is Silva. This one is based on Google Camera version 7.3. It might work on the Android version 9, Android version 10, and not sure about the Android version 11, but yes, it should work. In my case, it's working on MIUI 12 in Redmi Note 9 Pro. It should work on your device also. How to import those XMLs? You already know that if you double tap at this blank space between the click option and this photos option, double tap here, you will see this default config and all the available configs, all the available XMLs. How to get those XMLs and where to place them, let me show you. I have all those XMLs downloaded. Let me show you by going into my download folder where we have all those options available. Sorry for that, let me just switch my storage once. Here we have, I have all these XMLs options available, like the Sina, Sweat and Sunset, Inset. I have all these XMLs options available. For example, if you want to choose this one, we have other option available here too. Just go here, let me copy it to the storage where I was looking for, where you have to save this. You'll see this pixel cam option. Just open this one. Here you will see the FE option, and this option will only see if you have any kind of XML already available. If you don't have any kind of XML options available, you need to create a folder called pixel cam, then folder FE, and here you need to paste all those XMLs, and now these are available here. Now how to get those XMLs? Let me just go here, this camera. Now just double tap here and go here, and you will see all these XMLs are available. Just go here, click on restore, and you will see different settings will be applied successfully. As you can see, maximum brightness and all these settings are applied automatically. We just changed this option, correction and exposure, which is now changed here. Google AWB in front cam, a lot more things are automatically changed. You already know that if you apply a custom XML, you'll see different kind of settings that might be helpful for you. A lot of things are available. The XML link and the GCam link both in the description. Make sure to check them. This is all. Thanks for watching and goodbye.